I don't even like ice cream and I want to lick it.
Get away from my ice cream cone.
Your desire to protect the people around you is appropriate.
And what just...
Done.
All right, June 16th. It's like 10 o'clock. We just made biscuits. And...
Bethany, I made biscuits.
Honey and butter.
Did you get some ice cream?
Yeah. I brought you some.
Yeah, I know you did.
Okay.
I mean, did you
Oh,
get
I got some, yeah. And I got some chips. And I got my coffee.
pretty small.
I look like I'm high. Will they work if we put them together? Like in that one movie that I don't remember what was. I'm literally.
Right. See how it looks. Oh. Right. I tried to blow dry it. This is how it looks now. I think it's gonna turn out great, honestly. I like it, even though I know I did it wrong. All right, it's 6:37. I didn't actually get a chance to look at my hair last night because it was wet and I was so tired. And so now, I get to see how it looks. All right, June 17th, here with Priscilla and Geneva. We're gonna hang out downtown Stanton and have fun.
Yeah.
Priscilla bought me a burger.
But it doesn't say anything.
It doesn't.
75 cents minimum.
I only have 1/4.
I have nothing either.
We have 1 hour.
Well, I wonder if I add another. Do I have another quarter? Yeah, I wonder if I add another quarter. It'll.
An hour and 20 minutes. Because I'm pulling up my pants.
Oh, they're so freaking cute. June 18th. It's a beautiful day outside.
Okay, I gotta get my camera. Just a minute. Right before.
We are headed out to go hiking. And Hannah's waiting in the car. What? Yeah. We're on the trail, me and Sarah.
Yes.
How do you feel, Sass?
My shoulders already hurt.
They already hurt?
Yeah.
That's not good.
I'm making out with my straw.
You're gonna have to pee 500 times in about 10 minutes.
You'll protect me.
Wow.
March 18th.
I'm a blob of red.
6:52. We have 3 more miles, 3 more miles left to go today.
I think it's 3.3.
Maybe it's 3.4.
Oh.
It was 3.6 last time I checked, and that was like 0.2 ago.
I look like I have a little widow's peak there. Fix that. Yeah.
Right. June 18th. It's 8 o'clock maybe. What time is it, Sass?
It's
8:27. I think we're about to make it to our campsite. We're both exhausted. Sarah did 12 miles today. I don't know.
I'll take it.
I have to check, but that's pretty good. Oops.
Well,
June 19th, 11:30. We're about to head out to the trail. Just packing up the last of our stuff.
yeah, I probably put more of this stuff.
Sarah got to meet my tramily, and she got a trail name. Right, Sass?
Yes.
Right.
I don't know where all my... Oh, I thought I lost Hannah's thing, and I'm like, she's gonna kill me dead.
Oh, she would. We had a great night. We both managed to fit in my Gossamer Gear the One tent, and it worked out just fine. Like, better than I thought it would.
Oh my gosh. We finish each other's.
Sandwiches.
I was really
I've never met someone who thinks so much like me. Jinx.
Jinx again!
Our mental synchronizations can't have but one explanation.
That you
And I
were just meant to be.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door.
Love is an open door. Oh, sorry.
What happened?
It's got all inky.
Oh dear, you brought a fountain pen and it got all inky.
Yeah.
We need to stop at a rock and journal.
Yeah. Hello! Hello. I'm here in the wilderness. And as you know, when you're running low of food, you eat bark. Just not any bark. I totally ate that.
Almost 9 o'clock. We are gonna eat food. I made myself some refried beans, and we're at the priest shelter, and so I'm gonna read the confession book, which I stole from the shelter because someone was sleeping in it, and it's like almost 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna put it back. But it's not in the shelter right now. Ooh, oh, that's a confession, except it's a really lame confession. All right. Forgive me, I be sinning. Oh, this is from today. This is, oh my goodness, here's Moses's 10 commandments. Okay, my tramily just went through this, so all of these confessions are, I believe, theirs that I'm gonna read. So, okay, actually I feel like I would be defiling the book if I would put this in my video. It would be like defiling the confessions, so I probably shouldn't. All right, I was gonna read the confessions to my camera and post them, but then I realized that would be like a defilement, and so I'm gonna turn the video off. Good morning. Well, you just woke up? So your trash bag is gone, Sarah. Oh no, it's not. Oh, good, it's still there. Good morning. All right, good morning.
Good morning.
We're making coffee.
Morning. We're packing up in Rattlesnake Land.
Looking at my trekking poles, and I looked down and I noticed that this had this on, which I did not put this on my trekking pole. Mine fell off like before mile 100 because I kept them on like an idiot. And all of a sudden my trekking pole has one on, and like I guess that I stuck my trekking pole in the same hole.
I'm very skeptical of that. How
That
is
someone
that
lost
possible?
theirs, and I don't know. That's so improbable. I don't get it. But that's the only thing I can think of. How else would have I got that on there? You didn't put that on?
But do you put your stuff in holes?
Like the trekking pole, you're walking along, and sometimes your trekking pole will just happen to go in the same spot as someone else's at one point or another in time. I know the odds are so low, but I did not stick this on my trekking pole. I think that it happened. Yeah, I don't know what kind of snake that is. I don't really know what to tell you. Did you see it? Look at it.
That looks like a black snake.
Yeah, it does. June 20th, it's 12 o'clock. We're waiting on Hannah to pick Sarah up. And my bear bag got like destroyed. Not destroyed, but a bag popped inside of it, and it's just this royal mess. All my food got covered in grossness. You see, I was trying to be a good human and pack out my coffee beans, and this is what I get for it.
Drugs.
So I got picked up by Hannah, my younger sister, and then she brought me my resupply. Also, I'm going to soak my feet in the river because I so much mildew on my toes from the
Oh my goodness. This feels
bandages.
so soothing.
Just gonna stick my whole feet in it. Oh!
Oh yeah.
Could you hold? That would be awful if I dropped it.
There's better sitting rocks.
Okay.